Hello, Turbo Girl. We're going to learn about reported questions and commands in this lesson. When we want to report what someone asked or commanded, we can use direct speech or reported speech. In direct speech, we use quotation marks and give the exact words that the person said. For example, 1. Benny asked, "Where is baby Emily?" Or 2. Rumbo ordered, "Keep quiet." In reported speech, we do not use the quotation marks. So, if we report Benny's question, the sentence will be, Benny asked Leo where baby Emily was. And the reported command for 2 is, Rumbo ordered everyone to keep quiet. Let's look at what we must do to form reported questions and commands. 1. Reporting verbs. For reported questions, we usually use the reporting verb asked, followed by the person or people the question is directed at. In this case, Benny is asking Leo. For example, Benny asked Leo where baby Emily was. For reported commands, we usually use the reporting verb ordered or told, followed by the person or people the command is directed at. In this case, Rumbo is ordering everyone. In addition, we must also add to after the person or people. So we have, Rumbo ordered everyone to keep quiet. If the command is a negative command with the word not or don't, for example, Cherry told Monchi, "Don't touch my lipstick," then we do not add to in the reported command. Instead, we add not to. So the reported command will be, Cherry told Monchi not to touch her lipstick. 2. Word order. Word order means how we arrange the words in a sentence. When we report questions, the word order of the original question is changed. The subject noun of the reported clause, baby Emily, is in front of the verb in reported questions. For example, in direct question, Benny asked Leo, "What is baby Emily doing?" In reported question, Benny asked Leo what baby Emily was doing. Do you still remember what WH questions are, Turbo Girl?
Yes, teacher. WH questions are questions which begin with question words such as who and when. These question words are also called WH words since they usually begin with the letters WH.
Very good, Turbo Girl. When we report WH questions, we do not have to add any other words such as whether or if. So, Benny asked Leo whether what baby Emily was doing is incorrect. We should report it without the word whether. Benny asked Leo what baby Emily was doing. But when we report other types of questions which do not begin with a WH word, we usually have to add either whether or if before the subject noun. For example, in direct question, Leo asked Emily, "Are you cold?" In reported question, Leo asked Emily if she was cold, or Leo asked Emily whether she was cold. And finally, in reported questions, we do not use do, did, or does. For example, in direct question, Leo asked Emily, "Do you want a blanket?" In reported question, Leo asked Emily if she wanted a blanket. 3. Tense. In reported questions, the verb of the direct speech moves one step backwards in time. So, the verbs become more past. This means that a present tense verb in direct speech, for example, is, becomes past tense in reported speech, for example, was. So, in direct question, Benny asked, "What is baby Emily doing?" In reported question, Benny asked Leo what baby Emily was doing. In reported commands, the verb of the direct speech is in the root form because it is after the word to. For example, Rumbo ordered everyone to keep quiet. So, Rumbo ordered everyone to kept quiet is incorrect. The verb kept in the past tense must be changed to its root form, keep. This tense rule applies to all verbs after the word to. 4. Pronoun. Remember, pronouns are pointing words, so we have to change them in reported speech. For example, Leo asked baby Emily, "Do you want a blanket?" In reported speech, Leo asked baby Emily if she wanted a blanket. We change the pronoun you to she since it refers to baby Emily. 5. Place and time. We often use words like here, now, and today to refer to the place and time in our speech. In reported speech, these words will change if the place and time of the speech is reported at a different place and time. For example, in direct speech, Benny asked Leo, "What is baby Emily doing now?" In reported speech, Benny asked Leo what baby Emily was doing then. 6. Punctuation. The final thing to change will be punctuation marks. Reported speech does not have quotation marks, and it always ends with a full stop, so we must change the exclamation mark or the question mark to a full stop in reported speech. For example, in direct speech, Leo asked Emily, "Do you want a blanket?" In reported question, Leo asked Emily if she wanted a blanket. For example, in direct command, Rumbo ordered, "Keep quiet." In reported command, Rumbo ordered everyone to keep quiet. Now, Trouble Girl, can you tell us what you have learned in this lesson?
Okay, we learned about reported questions and commands. Here is an example of a question and a reported question. Direct question. Leo asked baby Emily, "Do you want a blanket?" In reported question, Leo asked baby Emily if she wanted a blanket. We use the reporting verb asked, followed by the person or people the question is directed at, in this case, baby Emily. If the question does not begin with a WH word, we must add either if or whether before the reported clause. We must also change the tense by making it more past. For reported commands, we usually use the reporting verb ordered or told, followed by the person or people the command is directed at. For example, in direct command, Rumbo ordered, "Keep quiet." In reported command, Rumbo ordered everyone to keep quiet.
Well done, Trouble Girl.